In this module of the Windows 11 tutorial, I'm going to go over how to switch between applications in Windows 11. The process is very much the same as previous versions of Windows, but for the purpose of understanding how the Windows 11 operating system works, I'll cover it here as well. So let's say we have two or more applications opened, and we need to switch between them. And we have only one monitor. Let's say I wanted to switch to Word. One of the options is to simply go to the taskbar here in the bottom and then click on Word and switch between the two. If I have more than two applications opened, obviously the process is going to be very much the same. So I'd go to the taskbar and switch between the applications here in the bottom. Another way to switch between the applications is to hold down the Alt key on the keyboard and then press Tab. This will display all the applications running currently on this computer. And then at this point, I can keep on pressing Tab and switch to a different application, or while I'm holding the Alt key, I can go and click on a specific one to switch to it. Earlier, I also covered that you can switch and have multiple desktops or multiple virtual desktops as well. If I want to switch to a completely different desktop, I'll go here to the bottom and switch to a new desktop, desktop 2, let's say, and from here I can launch a whole new setup with a variety of applications.